Welcome back to the Healthier Munch. Today's video, we're diving deep into the incredible benefits of eggs and how they can positively impact your body. So, let's crack open this topic and get ready for some egg-citing information. Eggs are nature's nutritional powerhouse packed with essential nutrients that our bodies love. They are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, providing all amino acids we need for muscle building and repair. Eggs also contain vitamins like A, D, and B12, iron, selenium, and choline, which supports brain health. So, by incorporating eggs into your diet, you're giving your body a nutrient-rich boost. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or simply aiming to maintain muscle mass, eggs are a perfect choice. The high-quality protein in eggs is easily absorbed by our bodies, providing the building blocks for muscle growth and repair. So, if you're looking to pump up your muscles, make sure to include eggs in your meal plan. Did you know that eggs can also give your brain a healthy boost? They contain a vital nutrient called choline, which plays a crucial role in brain function, memory, and cognitive development. By including eggs in your diet, you're giving your brain the support it needs to stay sharp and focused. When it comes to eye health, eggs have got you covered. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that protect our eyes from harmful free radicals. Research suggests that consuming eggs regularly may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, promoting long-term eye health. Contrary to popular misconceptions, eggs can be part of a heart-healthy diet. They contain unsaturated fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to support cardiovascular health. Recent studies have shown that moderate egg consumption does not significantly impact cholesterol levels or increase the risk of heart disease in healthy individuals. One of the best things about eggs is their incredible versatility. You can enjoy them boiled, scrambled, poached, or even baked. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with various recipes like muffins, frittatas, or veggie omelets. The possibilities are endless, and you'll never run out of delicious ways to incorporate eggs into your meals. That's a wrap on today's video about the excellent benefits of eggs for your body. We hope you enjoyed learning about how eggs can positively impact your health and wellness. Remember to subscribe to our channel, The Healthier Munch, for more exciting content on embracing a wholesome lifestyle. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative. Until next time.